Hey, what's up, guys? Joe here, and welcome to 365 WebX. Yes, so I'm here to announce to you that it is the end of the road for migration plugins. Okay, so it is the end for migration plugins. Oh, yes, you heard me right. It is the end of the road for migration plugins. Of course, it is so if you use Hostinger. So Hostinger has made it possible to migrate your website to a new domain or maybe a subdomain without any plugin. You just, pick your domain, pick your website, and just do the magic, and yeah, it's done. So to do that, I'm not going to waste your time. Okay, it's just supposed to be just a few minutes video, even maybe less than a minute. So to do that, here you can see on the Hostinger dashboard. And I have this domain here. I'm going to show you that there is nothing on this domain. You can see there's nothing. Okay, just WordPress installation. And then there is another domain here with a demo site. Okay, and I want to transfer this site to this one. And what you do is just let's go back to our Hostinger dashboard. So what you do is you click, you see by your left here, click on files, click this little arrow there to expand it. And then you see where it says copy site, click there and watch. So this is all you have. Okay, so I'm going to choose my domain. Yes, so sorry for that. I was actually trying to transfer the other one onto itself. So here we are, you see Famanda, and then I'm going to click here and say select this domain. Remember, we're transferring this site to this one. I mean, we are copying this site to this one. Okay. The beauty of this is that you're not losing this site either, and you're not doing anything beyond what I'm just showing you here. So I'm going to click start copying. Okay, so it's a potential dondu.com data loss. So it's what it's saying here is that there's an installation, okay, a WordPress installation already existing there, okay, with a database. So and it's asking us to if we want to override what is there, and we say yes. So we say, well, you just click here, okay. What that is saying is that it's going to override whatever is here. Okay, so we say yes and then start copying anyways. Yes, so here you can see copying is in progress. Copying can take up to 15 minutes if otherwise, please get in touch with it. So yeah, so you have to wait for it. Depends on how large or how huge your site is, but most times in this case it should take less than 15 minutes. So as you can see here, but it says 15 minutes, so I'm going to come back in 15 minutes, and by then you should finish copying, and I'll show you what it looks like. So yeah, like I said, it's bye-bye to migration plugins that gives you too much headaches, or too much work. See you guys in a minute, okay? Okay, so as you can see, it has completed. Uh, let's see. Okay, so you can see the old domain and the new domain. Okay, like I said, the old domain is still it's still there with the content on it there, as you can see. And let's go back and check the old one, I mean the new one, and see what we've got. Okay, right. So you can see the domain. Okay, nothing changes. Okay, the only thing now is maybe it depends. You can just go ahead and change this site. I mean, change this name. So, in what case will you want to do something like this? Maybe you design a site in your working domain. What I mean by working domain is the domain that you always work on, and then maybe transfer to the client's domain, or whichever means that you want to copy your site, it's fine, okay? But that's how you copy a site without using any plugin, or of course any complicated plugin that comes with a lot of headaches. Yeah, and it's sometimes using these plugins is so tedious. Sometimes you're trying to copy your site and it fails. Sometimes you copy and you on trying to, I mean, there are too many complications when it comes to using migration plugins. So but Hostinger has been able to resolve this peacefully, and I'm glad they have done so. You see, this is one of the reasons why I keep recommending Hostinger. Get yourself a Hostinger domain or hosting, and you never can go wrong. I trust me. Okay, I have close to 100 websites that I'm managing for clients. Okay, and I don't have that. I've built, some I've built, I'm managing for clients, some have been transferred to me. And trust me, none of my clients has ever complained about anything when it comes to dealing with Hostinger. And the beauty part of it is I bought a single hosting plan, and I'm hosting all these websites there, and you don't have anything like speed issues. You don't have anything like sites failing. And some of them are e-commerce sites. Okay, and my clients are happy. I am happy. I have peace of mind as compared to what I used to experience when I was with the other platform. So shout out to Hostinger. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.